Hi guys, my name is Marie and welcome to my Kawaii world. So in this video, I'm going to talk about Gimbap and I'm going to share with you 7 different types of Gimbap that you can find in Korea. Gimbap is a popular Korean food that's made of rice, vegetables, and meat all wrapped up in seaweed. The typical kimbap will contain rice, cucumber, pickled yellow radish, cooked carrots, and spinach, imitation crab, and lynch meat. On top of that, you can add things like beef, fried shrimp, tuna, anchovies, ham, and other things. You can get regular kimbap at any Bunsik, which is a snack bar or restaurant. It's a little place where you can get an informal meal. Bunsik literally means food made from flour and it refers to stuff like ramen, but nowadays it refers to inexpensive snack foods like tteokbokki, ramen, kimbap, udon, omelette rice, sundae, or blood sausage, and fried food. They will usually give you a complimentary bowl of fish-based soup broth, which has a really savory umami flavor, and it's really good. It's a broth that they cook odeng or omok or fish cakes in. Sometimes you can buy kimbap at supermarkets like E-Mart or from random vendors on the street. You can find a little Bunsik restaurant on pretty much every street corner. Also, if you have kids, you can ask if they have orini kimbap, which means kids kimbap, and they'll make it with mostly the same fillings but a little bit smaller so that it's easier for kids to eat. So in this video, I'm going to tell you about the different types of kimbap that I've tried in Korea. We already talked about regular kimbap. So the second type is this skinny kimbap. It's called goma kimbap or sometimes called maya kimbap, which means drug kimbap because it's so good. It's like a drug. It's really addictive. And it usually contains pickled radish, carrot, egg, spinach, and it's wrapped up into these really thin rolls and then generously brushed with sesame oil until it's really shiny. They sell this in the local markets like Gwangjang Market and Mangwon Market, and some Bunsik sell this instead of the regular kimbap. There's another variation that you can get in the subway station and I really like it. You basically pick out a few different flavors of kimbap and they will slice it up for you into bite-sized pieces and then you can eat it with a toothpick, and you can just help yourself to a free cup of fish broth or odeng broth, and this is super informal. You just eat while you're standing in the train station, and these pretty much have a couple of fillings in them and a lot of it's rice. I like the anchovy ones best, but you can also get flavors like tuna, pork, beef, flying fish roe, veggie, ham, etc. They have this kind of stall in the subway station in Hongdae and at Dongdaemun as well as other places. Number 3 is Kim Sonseng. Kim Sonseng means Teacher Kim, and this is my absolute favorite place to get kimbap. It's premium kimbap and they use high quality ingredients, and the vegetables are chopped up really finely and there's a lot of filling and there's not as much rice. Most of the kimbaps contain finely sliced cucumber, carrot, and burdock root, and also egg, which is not too sweet, and also a radish, which is not yellow but it's white. They also sell some other things like kogi or beef mandu, which is really good. Kimbap flavors include lobster, cream cheese, and spicy pork, but my favorites are the chamchi or tuna and the kogi or the beef. Number 4 is Lee Gimbap. This is another premium kimbap restaurant, but I actually prefer Kim Sonseng. This is the kids kimbap, which comes with the sweet onion dipping sauce. This is kimchi tuna, and this is the nuts and anchovies, and this one is beef and mushroom. It's a little similar to the traditional kimbap, but they are premium, I'd say, because they have a higher filling to rice ratio than your typical kimbap. At Lee Kimbap, you can also get stuff like cheese ramen and cheese tteokbokki that go well with kimbap, but their star dish is the butter rice that's topped with flying fish roe and mixed veggies. My kids absolutely love it. This rice also contains a half-cooked egg, so if you have ever had raw egg with your rice, it just makes it so rich and buttery, and that with the butter on top of it and the little pop of the flying fish roe is perfect. Number 5 is School Food, and this is kind of a trendy kimbap place that sells sort of fusion type food. Their kimbaps are a little bit different. They have fillings like spam, which by the way is fancy in Korea, and squid ink. The squid ink one is black, and flying fish roe kimbap. My personal favorite is the butter egg rice with jangjeorim, and that is a shredded beef that's flavored with sweet soy sauce. You can never go wrong with butter rice. If you travel to other parts of Korea, you'll notice that they do their own take on kimbap. In Busan, the kimbap is filled with a slice of pork belly. In Jeju, there is this kimbap that looks like a spam musubi, but instead of having spam inside, there's this bouncy egg omelet, and the rice is flavored with, surprise surprise, abalone. I hope you guys enjoyed that. I just want to give a big shout out to my Patreons, Hello Dino, Christy, Bonnie, Aaron, Pinball Reviewer, V, and Frangipani. Thank you guys so much for supporting my channel. You really do help me keep this up and running, so I really appreciate your support. For more videos on Seoul, check out these playlists right here, and if you've gotten any benefit from my videos, then please consider making a donation to my Patreon page. I will link it in the description below. I'll talk to you next time. Bye!